Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pritam Finser. With this channel, I try to express my views on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, we will try to discuss what are the expectations on Tuesday, that is 15th September 2020, about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, this is Nifty chart in front of you. As already marked, the various support and resistance zones can be seen here. See, here in previous video also I shared about these levels, and these levels are intact as long as the Nifty is trading between the levels 11,200 to 11,600. As long as Nifty trades between these levels 11,200 to 11,600, these levels are expected to work. You can refer to my YouTube video that was recorded for 11th September 2020. So here you can try to see these levels today worked in the market. I informed that 11,560 to 11,589, it can work as the resistance from where Nifty is expected to move in downward direction. That is, a sell-off can be expected in Nifty, and from here at actually sell-off was seen in the market. Where Nifty tried to take the support, Nifty tried to take the support in the zone from 11,400 to 11,427. So in this zone, Nifty tried to take the support. Although Nifty has tried to make the intraday low 11,395. From there, a bounce was observed up to 11,483. So our view is very simple. As long as Nifty is above 11,427, say more refined 11,429, we will be bullish on the Nifty. And again, attempt can be made to approach to 11,470 to 11,000 to 11,500. 11,470 से 11,500 पॉसिबल हो सकता है as long as Nifty is above 11,429. अब हम बेयरिश कब रहेंगे? बेयरिश तभी रहेंगे जबकि निफ्टी यहाँ पे ओपन होता है, यानी 11,400 के नीचे ओपन होता है. If tomorrow Nifty opens gap down, that is say below 11,400, then we will try to create short sell position in the Nifty. Where will be our stop loss? Our stop loss will be around 11,433. Okay, and what will be our expectation? Our expectation can be 11,360 to 11,305. So 11,305 to 11,227, this can act as the support zone. Okay. Tomorrow, if Nifty tries to open around this, see today, if you try to see, this is the entire sideways move, and then again rapid sell off came. So what was the price? 11,522. So if Nifty tries to open gap up or any point of time, if Nifty tries to reach to this zone 11,520, then we will try to create short sale position. Okay, in that case also we will try to create short sale position, right? So there are two views. Let the Nifty to open either below 11,400 or let the Nifty to come closer to 11,500 or 520, and then we can create the short sale positions. For the longs, where we can create the long? We can create the long position if Nifty tries to open around 11,427. Then with a small stop loss, we can try to create the long position, and our target can be 11,470 to 11,500. Okay, so we are not trying to predict the market, we are just trying to trade based on the prices that we can see in the market. Now I will try to share my view on the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty, it tried to break this support zone. What was the support? The support was in the region 22,327 to 22,448. Okay, so Bank Nifty has tried to successfully pierce this support. So what will be the next move of the Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty can approach to 22,000 and then 21,863. So this particular region, 21,863 to 21,862 to 21,600 or say 700. So this is nothing but the support region for the Bank Nifty. But as far as tomorrow's view is concerned, 22,069 to 22,030, this is a immediate support. So Bank Nifty can try to take the support there, and a bounce can be observed in the Bank Nifty to approach 22,400 to 22,450. So we can try to create the short sale position if Bank Nifty tries to open closer to 22,327. If Bank Nifty tries to open below this support zone 22,327, then we can create the short sale position in the Bank Nifty. Or if Bank Nifty tries to open gap up, and that to above 22,450, then a long position in the Bank Nifty can be created. Or otherwise, if Bank Nifty tries to open closer to this support zone 21,863, then there also we can try to create the long position in the Bank Nifty. So once again, I would like to reiterate that we are not trying to predict the market, but we will try to create our position based on the prices that we can see. We will wait for either support or resistance to be broken, and then based on that we will try to create the long or short position in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. As far as intraday is concerned, see, on Monday, that is 14th September, Bank Nifty tried to create this as the supply zone. So even if Bank Nifty tries to come at any point of time closer to 22,550, then there also we can try to initiate a short sell position, and in that case our stop loss could be 22,750. So that is the view. I think Nifty can really try to make attempt to move in downward direction. But as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, we need to be more cautious, because if you try to see the daily chart, already Bank Nifty has tried to show a good amount of fall, and here double bottom kind of situation may occur if Nifty tries to come closer to 21,800, from where a rapid rise can be observed. So for making a short sell position in the Bank Nifty, one need to be more cautious as compared to Nifty. Where to create the short sell position or where to create the long position, that I have already shared. Now if you try to compare this Nifty chart, Nifty after showing this big red candle, Nifty tried to consolidate in this region. This is nothing but a dark cloud cover for the day, and dark cloud cover for the day asks for the confirmation. If Nifty at all would like to move in further downward direction, then in that case there should be gap down opening. That is, if Nifty tries to open below 11,400, then with a stop loss of 11,435 or say 11,440, we can try to create the short sell position in the Nifty for the targets as already shared, that is 11,300 can be possible. Even in the days to come, 11,200 can also be seen. However, at present 11,290, it appears as a strong support, immediate support. So try to be cautious and just try to see how Nifty or Bank Nifty opens, and based on that we can try to work our strategy. Already supply and demand zones, or say support and resistance zones, their levels have been shared. Good luck to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please click on the like button. Trading is about making money, nothing else. Thank you.